Bill, I've been very engaged and excited about digital for many, many years. Okay. And a few weeks ago, I was at a conference in Dallas. All right. And I met with a guy who ran an engine company. All right. And I told him, a lease company, an engine leasing company. All right. And he said he was leasing out engines. And I asked him, I said, what is your requirement for digital, maintaining, managing records? And, when you get the engine back. And he said, I don't care. He says, I don't care if I get paper back. And, I was a little bit frustrated, and I said, why don't you care? And he said, because, it doesn't help me from a cost or a revenue perspective. He said, if somebody doesn't give me the records back, I just charge them more money, and I was so challenged because I was saying, how do we create better records, and how do we, manage, things better, and how do we reduce cost for everybody? And so when I look at somebody saying that, hey, these challenges for what is accepted in the industry and what people do or what people don't do, there's people out there 2-3 weeks ago that I've talked to that don't care if they get paper back. I mean, isn't that challenging?
Well, it's really interesting. First of all, you were in Dallas, and maybe at the very same time, I was only 20 miles down the road because I was in Fort Worth at the SAE conference. And we were talking about the digitalization there. And what this person said to you from this engine company, first, it offended me because I said, well, maybe he doesn't know the risk he's living in. And then the second thought was, well, maybe he's right. That's exactly how it should be. But it is not yet there. Once the industry goes digital, that's exactly the right position. Hey, I don't care about it because it's being taken care of. But in order to get there, we have to do something.
Yeah, absolutely.